These are my Morel Yokota hiking shoes I bought 4 years ago. This is a lug on the shoe sole I repaired myself in my garage. In the past 3 months, I've worn this pair of shoes daily for hiking, trail running, mountain biking, and motorcycling. Finally, I'm able to reveal what the lug repair ended up looking like today. If you are new here, let me ask you, is this just me, or do you also think affordable shoe nowadays barely last a year? And let's be honest, who bothers with shoe repairs when a new pair costs about just the same? Well, I've researched and found you don't have to be a professional shoemaker or craftsman to repair shoes. In fact, I extended the life of my shoes with minimum costing tools in my own garage. Check out my shoe repair video playlist and I'll show you how I bring my footwear back to life so I refuse to pay for them again and again. 5 rugged years well travelled in the rough Aussie bushland. My Morel Yokota hiking shoes were warriors. Then, earlier this year, somewhere in the mountains, the lug snapped. Surely it's time for the shoes to go to landfill, right?
In this case, I think you're wrong. That's about it.
Well, in my garage workshop, I decided to give the Morel Yokota a second life. Grabbed a sturdy piece of rubber and cut out a new lug, making sure it fits snug within the hole in the sole. Then it's showtime for the trusty contact cement to do the magic. Left it to dry for 15 minutes before pressing the lug in. Picture it, shoes taking a breather, cement setting in, and me crossing my fingers for another DIY shoe rescue, getting them ready for more trails and adventures ahead. Isn't that satisfying? The simple joy of fixing things up and letting them tell the tales of where they've been. I mean, nothing says I'm a newbie louder on the trail than a brand sparkling new pair of hikers. That's why I'm sticking with these old ones. In the past 3 months, I've worn this pair of shoes daily for hiking, trail running, mountain biking and motorcycling. And the result? The lug is still there, standing tall like a little soldier. While the edges of the lug have been rounded and there are some hairline cracks in the glue line, the repair has proven resilient, maintaining a sturdy hold for now. Now let me be perfectly honest, gluing a single lug on a shoe is not something any cobbler would recommend. The contact surface for the glue is too small to provide bonding power in the long term. For cemented shoes like these hiking shoes or sports shoes, it's not even possible to swap out the entire shoe sole. But this is why DIY repair is a winner. You see, in the event the lug decides to take a hiatus in the next 6 months or so, no worries, I'll simply cut out another piece of rubber and glue it back on. As long as you have the right skill and material for the job, why does the repair have to be permanent? If you are wondering how you can double or triple the life of your favorite shoes and to learn what are the things to watch out for to avoid a failed repair, the answer to these questions are right there. Just follow the links on your screen. But before you go, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future DIY and self-sufficiency videos. Have a nice day.